These are HDX HDX fiber adapter plates. These are designed for network manageability and easy one-hand operation. For example, the thumb latch makes it really easy to extract from a fiber enclosure or panel without disrupting the neighboring fibers. These are TIA color-coded to fiber types OM3, OM4, and OS2, and they're available with LC shuttered, SC, or MTP fiber adapters. HDX HDX adapter plates are compatible with all HDX HDX enclosures, frames, panels, and 0RU options. For details on our HDX HDX fiber adapter plates, visit the product webpage.